Boasting an ultra-convenient lifestyle, tied in with a flexible floor plan and a northern aspect. Hi, my name's Titan Davis, proudly representing Pello. I can't wait to show you through this home. Let's go take a look. Unit 16 is ideally positioned on the first floor and is tucked away at the rear of the block. As you enter the home, you're immediately struck by a sense of calm as well as an open floor plan. The generously sized living and dining space connects effortlessly to the outdoor balcony, which is spacious and commands the very best of the northern sun, ensuring plenty of warmth and natural light. The oversized kitchen is certainly a feature of the home and includes loads of cupboard and benchtop space. Moving to the rear of the home, you'll find accommodation spread across 2 bedrooms, both featuring mirror built-in robes. These are then serviced by an updated bathroom, including a toilet as well as shower over bathtub. With the scope for future improvement, this property provides buyers with the possibility to add their own taste and touches. Something that I love about this apartment that I know will stand out to so many buyers in this price range, apart from the sizable floor plan, has to be the tranquil setting as a result of the beautifully established gardens. 96 Ourimbah Road is located a short trip to both Mosman and Mosman Village, offering world-class restaurants and cafes, as well as moments from regular government transport and only 5 minutes away from the golden sands of Balmoral Beach. Beautifully presented apartments in this Mosman location do not stick around for long. If there's any questions, give me a call, otherwise I'll see you at the next inspection.